India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in fire safety and industrial hazard management, CTS offers the trade of fire technology and industrial safety management from factories and construction sites, airports, hospitals, oil refineries, and government establishments. Trained fire and safety technicians play a vital role every single day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, equipment, and real workshop environments. Students learn fire behavior and prevention, firefighting equipment operation, emergency rescue techniques, hazard identification, industrial safety regulations, risk assessment, first aid, fire alarm and detection systems, and practical safety auditing using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across fire departments, industrial plants, construction companies, airports, oil and gas firms, hospitals, private safety consultancies, start businesses, become entrepreneurs. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.